Want to earn money from home? Remotasks makes it easy. Just sign up, complete a quick training, and start tackling simple tasks like email labeling or transcriptions. It's flexible, easy to get started, and you can work at your own pace. Perfect for earning on the side. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you how you can use Remotasks or how you can make money on Remotasks. The first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into Remotasks, and then you will find here this results after you're diving into or your research. You click over the first website appears you after your research, and then you will find other page, and which is the homepage. You have just to sign up by clicking over sign up in the top right, and then you have to add your email address and your password. Then you'll find here this account like that. So we will have my account in the top right. We'll find here my name, and we have also other things here that could help you guys. So first, let's know what is remote tasks. Remote task is an online platform that allows you to earn money by completing simple tasks such as image annotation, data labeling, or transcription. After signing up and completing some training, you can start working on various tasks at your own pace, making it a flexible way to earn income from home. So after signing up for remote tasks, you have just to start by completing the necessary of the training helps you learn how to complete tasks like image labeling or transcription correctly. Once trained, you can start selecting tasks from the platform and working on them at your own pace. Each task you complete earns you money, and the more accurate you work, the better tasks you will have access to. So you can work whenever it fits your schedule. Just keep checking for your new tasks and start earning. All I have to do right now is just come back to the dashboard to discovering other things that we have in this dashboard. As you can see, firstly we will just here take a look about here we'll find 0 xp. So what does mean xp? So I will show you what is it and how you can here progress the tires programs, and also what is the Remotasks tires program tracker and the various things. Firstly, we have here start tracking tasking, sorry. So we find here the key that you will first just do it to start tasking, as you can see. So let's just right now back to the dashboard, because in this video we'll just focus on how you can earn money from this platform. Let's just click over learn more to more understand about how it works. So in this page we'll find here all steps that you need to get started with this platform, which is Remotasks. Firstly, we have what is the Remotasks Tires program. So we have Remotasks Tires is a new loyalty program built to reward and recognize our top taskers on the platform. Taskers in Remotasks Tires program will receive various additional benefits. Then we have here what are the benefits. You can just reach more understand. Then we have how do I join the program. About this one, you have just to need to earn a certain amount of remote points in a period of time to qualify. So once you join any of the tires, you will start receiving the benefits for the tires. So we will just here being preferred after you was or you were standard. All right, then we have also here once you become a preferred, you will have the chance to start working towards becoming an elite tire tasker to receive even more benefits. So preferred tires to elite tire. Then we have also your membership of the program is conditioned to constant quality reviews, and queue managers have the ability to remove spammers and taskers with bad quality. Then we have also how do I earn more points? How does XP work? So this one is very important. I already mentioned to know what is XP and also remote points and how you can earn money from the using remote points and this XP work. Right? So the first new concept we want to introduce is your to you is experience points, which is XP. It's just abbreviation of experience points. About XP is meant to respond the amount of work that you have done on our platform. Every time you complete a task, you will receive a certain amount of XP. So how much XP you will gain, or you will get after your work or something like that. We have also here the word of remote points. About this one, we have each week you will have an XP goal, and if you will be able to earn remote points. Standard taskers will be able to earn one remote points when they reach 3,500 XP in 1 week. I think you understand what I mean. Then we have also here like that we have 3,500 XP, and for week you will just see one remote point. Then we have also preferred and elite taskers will earn one remote point when they reach 3,500 XP in 1 week, in addition to an extra 3 remote points when they reach 10,000 XP in that same week, right? So I think you understand, and this is why we have in the homepage this progress task tracker. I will show you again if we come back to the dashboard. Then we have also here elite tier taskers will have access to weekly bonuses. For example, we have here 24,000 XP. We have here 20,000 as you can see. So here we have how do I track my progress. You have just to read this information such as how does the fast reviews, bonus. We have also other things, and that's it for this one. Let's just come back right now to the dashboard where I will show you here Remotasks stars programs progress task tracker. So we have just done with those things. So we have here under you can earn up to $21 per week in bonuses by participating in our RTE programs. So about this one, let's just go to the important, and before let's just discover missions. About missions, you will find here other things in missions. So as you can see, we have here firstly important information. We have the first one, which is missions are a way to earn additional rewards for completed work. Secondly, missions are paid out once all milestones are completed of or once the mission expires. Then we have task availability for missions is subject to customer demand and having a mission does not guarantee work to complete it. And we have also other things. If we click over onboarding, we will find here other things, which is those things. So this is just discovering. I already mentioned that in my definition, and I already talked when we just here talk about how you can learn money or earn money from this platform. And I will show you more and more deeply how it works with onboarding. And this is the specific one that you will get started and work with it. So let's just wait for it. So about this one, you'll find here on border center in the top, and we have also here browse project, and we have remote tasks bootcamps. About this one, you have to sign up. You will find other page, which is this one. You have to add firstly your remote task emails, full legal name as a second, and we have personal email thirdly, and WhatsApp contact infos, people email address as well. And also we have here something such as here the information about your country, and also we have here the best feature schedule, and also we have here computer specifics information such as a RAM, video card, processor type, and also you select internet speed, and you have here some options or some choices that you have to select. Also here, or here, oh, sorry, I said here, her. So we have, by the way, so let's just come back right now. And we have also your computer specifics. You have just to click over here and you select the specifics that you have in your computer, of course. So let's just come back right now and discover here in the left the options that we have, and I already mentioned it how you can work with this one. So I already mentioned that after you're signing up, you will just here start with data collection or content and language such as text highlighting, transcription, and categories. Also we have image annotation, and we have image segmentation, video annotation, and lidar lidar annotation, and we have segmentation as well, right? So right now in the middle we have image segmentation, pen to pixels, and an image, and we have no active project at the moment. You have just to get started right now. Also we have here certification exams as well, and that's it for this one. We have also here other options that could help you for a good thanks for if you just here find yourself in a round or in a trouble. You have just to use here these options, which is task log, balance, remote task tires, missions, feedback, support. And about this one, you will find the advanced information about how it works and also other things. You have just to know more about this platform before getting started, and you have to be patient. After you get your experience, you will earn money, of course. So Remotasks is flexible and straightforward way to earn money by completing simple online tasks. After completing the training, you can work at your own pace and choose tasks that fit your skills. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.